Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Griddle Porn. Today we're doing a product review. Tomcat Rodent Repellent. Non-toxic, safe around animals and kids with, it's got a soap, peppermint oil, cinnamon oil, garlic oil, and it smells really nice. However, in practice, I'd have to say it's an abject failure after one day. I sprayed the dickens out of everything yesterday and last night, and this morning all of the telltale signs were still there of the little, excuse my language, rat bastards, actually mouse bastards. Yeah, I know where we live, it's impossible to completely live without rodents, but I can live without them there one way or the other. I may have to start going to traps on my shelf. I'll also start blocking the lid with, I'll put the grease box up on the griddle top, or block it with foil or something to keep them off of the surface. But yeah, just naturally had no results. But it was working, if it had worked, it would have been perfect. And yeah. Anyway, that's today's sad story. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm being eaten alive by gnats. And, yeah, it's time to go inside. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day.